So many of the subscribers were asking that is there any other event similar to the 5 days AI agent intensive course with Google. So here is the perfect video for all of you. Here I will share an important event where you can learn to train LLM and take part in this challenge and compete with global leaders. So before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel and do hide the video. Now let's come to the challenge. It's a challenge by Google itself. You can clearly see that Google Cloud, it's featuring it. So here is a Google Tunix hack trainer model to show its work. Now here what we have to do in simple words, we have to teach a LLM to reason using Tunix, Google's new JAX library, and for post LLM training, we have to use the JAX native library. Okay. So what we have to do here, just like we have participated in any event or you must have participated in any exam also, you must have seen the quiz, and at after the attention of the quiz, you see that they are showing the answer, correct answer, and explanation. Similarly, here in this hackathon, we have to start with the Google OpenAI Gemma model. They will be giving it free of cost. You have to fine tune it with the tonics on TPU and just teach it how to reason through complex question. And here it will be giving only the right answer, not incorrect answer or just not responding. Here the model which you'll be creating will be giving right answer and also explaining how it performed that output. Like if you, for example, like if you have performed any lab, if you are unable to explain the lab, then there is no point of completing the lab. Similarly, the model what you have built, when you query the prompt, okay, then it will just respond like how, which resources I've searched, what is the criteria, what is the output. It will just generate and show you and explain how it got to there, I mean the outcome, how it proceeded to the outcome. So here you have to include a working training pipeline also using the Tunix and Gemma, and you have to share your configs. I think you have to share the write-up also here and the model also here. So here, what is the event? It started from 11th of November and will be ending on 12th of January. So you have time. You can just take part in it. And here you can see the judging period and the prize and result announcement. So for the prizes, if you come over here, mostly they are showing cash prizes. I think goodies will be added also. They'll be sending the merch worth that value. Now here you need to understand regarding the submission guideline. So here, if you come over here, you can clearly see your submission will include a video, a media gallery, and a public notebook. So you can just use Google Colab also, but if you are participating with Kaggle itself, then I will recommend that just use the Kaggle notebook. Okay. If you want to know how to do the write up, you can just come to the channel and just come to the playlist and search for the write up. Okay. Write up or submission. And if you face any issue, you can just let me know in the comment section. Here you can see I have shared the video how you can just do the write up part also. So here you can make the write up. Now the third thing is that public video. Public video should be hosted on YouTube. You can make an unlisted video or you can just make a public also. Basically, when you'll submit the URL, they will be able to see what you have made. And the video should be under 3 minutes or maximum 3 minutes. Okay. And the write up, they have mentioned the write up also. It should be around 2,000 or 1,000 words. Okay. It's 1,500 words only. So you have to just do not exceed the write up also. Now, here they have mentioned the evaluation criteria. You can just read out. I will share the link in the description. Now, how you have to register in this event. Okay. Now, how you have to register? First thing, you have to create a Kaggle account. I'll share the link. You have to just sign up, and then after that, you have to verify your phone number going to the settings, and then simply click on Join Hackathon. You have to mention your details. Basically, they may ask for college details, etc. Or if you don't ask, you can simply join the hackathon. After that, you can start. And if you have any query, you can let me know in the comment section. As it is a hackathon, then I can just only guide you. I cannot provide exact solution because the 5 days AI agent intensive course was a course. It is a event. So there is a difference. I hope you understand. But it is a complex event. You can try your luck. But if you want a basic event where you can earn some goodies, you can simply come to the channel and come to the courses section. Here you can see the arcade challenge is also live. Here is the video how you can just start your queries, how you'll be getting the swags. All things are covered in this video. Make sure to watch it. Secondly, if you are interested in other events where we'll be earning some cool prizes, then you can see here if you just scroll down, let me show you. There are some Salesforce challenge also. There are some GenAI challenge also. Here you can see the bit quizzes here. Multiple challenges. You can see the Salesforce challenge. the Genie Academy challenge, the Hero challenge, you can just explore the channel and just complete it. And if you face any issue, you can comment down below, or you can just reach out to my social handles. You have to come to the post section, and if I show you, you can see these are my social handles. You can connect with me and ask your queries if you have any. So do like the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any query, to let me in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.